Tom Smith is now, it's 4 o'clock on Monday the 8th. And Tom has invited us to go have Boggle play with Bubba. He claims it's safe.
Hey, Tarek, is the dog insured?
My dog isn't insured. Hey, I've always liked your house. Boggle, you're gonna get eaten. He said not to have the. Why is he dragging his butt around? Does he have worms or something? What does that mean? He was dewormed. Yeah, but why is he still dragging his butt? Yeah, but why is he rubbing it on our carpet? Boggle, don't rub your ass on the carpet.
Well, it's not his house.
Kai,
Well, it is.
tell Boggle not to rub his butt on the carpet.
Tell Boggle to not rub his butt.
Right, didn't tell him.
On the L word. There's no such thing as L word.
Okay, so tell me what you guys did last night in your sleepover. What'd you do, Ty?
I was sleeping and I saw a museum door #1. And I did no #1. And I was playing with Lego Star Wars toys.
And Braden, you tell me what you did at your sleepover.
Play video games.
Was it?
And like that gun thing. And we were playing the Nerf game.
Ty,
What?
what'd you do?
And I played Mario Kart
Mm-hmm.
and play with toys
Okay.
and watch TV.
Braden? Braden? What'd you do?
Already told you.
All right, I want you and Ty to stand up next to each other. Let's see who's taller. Stand up next to him. Go. Let's see who's taller. Go. Oh my gosh. Let me see whose feet are bigger. Come here. Whose feet are bigger? Put your feet next to each other. Your feet are almost the same exact size. All right, let me see the muscles. Shirts off muscles. Come on. I want to see your shirts off muscles. All right.